Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to buy an ETF on Interactive Brokers step by step. I'll be showing you this on the web version, the client portal. You'll need an active Interactive Brokers account with funds deposited and trading permissions enabled for the market where your ETF trades. To set up trading permissions, click the settings icon in the top right. Open Settings, scroll down to the Trading section, and click Trading Permissions. Choose the stock markets you want access to, enable the fractional shares toggle if you want to buy with a dollar amount, then click Continue. This is a one-time setup. Now, type your ticker into the search bar at the top of the page. You'll see several results, the same ETF listed on different exchanges in different currencies. Each result shows an exchange code next to the ticker. IBIS2 is Frankfurt, LSEETF is London Stock Exchange, EBS is SIX Swiss. Pick the one that matches the exchange and currency you want. Click the listing you want, then click Buy. The order ticket opens. You'll see the bid-ask spread, your available cash, and a shares or currency dropdown. In the quantity field, enter how many shares you want to buy. If you'd rather invest a specific dollar amount, flip the dropdown from shares to your currency. The field updates to let you enter the amount in dollars instead of share count. Next, select your order type from the dropdown. For popular ETFs, a market order executes immediately at the current price. If you want to set a maximum buy price, choose limit and enter your limit price. Set the time in force. This controls how long the order stays active. It often defaults to day, which means the order expires at market close if it doesn't fill. You can also choose good till cancel if you want it to stay open longer. Before you submit, click the preview button in the order ticket. You'll see a projection of your account balances after the trade and a matrix showing the estimated margin impact. Scroll through and check the details. Once you're ready, click the blue Submit Order button. You might see a mandatory cap price pop up, review it, and accept. The order transmits, and you'll see it marked as pending in the order ticket. Within a few seconds, you'll get an email confirmation that the order executed. Head to the portfolio section and you'll see your new ETF. 2 quick tips. Once you own an ETF, you don't need to search for it again. You can open it straight from your portfolio to buy more. And if you're planning to invest regularly, consider setting up recurring investments so it buys itself on a schedule. And that's the full process. Thanks for watching. Hope this was helpful.